I gotta say, dental-wise, you give me back a smile that I've not had for many, many years. Thank you very much. How's that? My name's Jim. I'm from Bristol, southwest England. I'm 68 almost. I had rubbish teeth, and so I've done a lot of research. I should have probably had it done 2 years ago or more, but I've done a lot of research into it because I was terrified of the dentist. And dental-wise, obviously, lots of dentists in Antalya were recommended. A lot of information, but I had a friend called Steve who came here, and he had basically exactly the same treatment as me, and he was absolutely over the moon, just sang dental-wise's praises so much. And their prices I found, they weren't the cheapest, but they weren't the dearest, but they were competitive. And what Steve said about dental-wise sold it to me, so here I am. Major problem, my top teeth weren't great, but they were better than my bottom teeth. I was down to just 3 teeth at the bottom. All my life, as far as I can remember, I could never remember having any back teeth, so I never had good teeth anyway. And I also had a tooth under the gum here, which had never come through, and many clinics wanted to take that out first, which I wasn't keen on. But dental-wise said that they can go either side of it. But my bottom teeth, I was down to 3, so I had trouble eating. I'm a big meat eater, and so I couldn't eat what I wanted to eat, and my bottom teeth were sore and loose. So when I came to dental-wise, they took all the x-rays really, really thorough. And with this tooth under the gum, what they've done a brilliant job. They actually shaved it down below the gum and removed the nerves, so I can't have any problems with it. So yeah, very impressed, and yeah, my teeth were terrible. No, actually, when I came, I came in May, where I had all my teeth taken out, which I wasn't looking forward to be honest with you, but they were brilliant. I didn't hardly feel the injections, and like a friend of mine came over, he's a bit of a wimp, but he was different. But I didn't feel any injections, there was little to no pain. They gave me painkillers, they gave me antibiotics, they gave me everything, and I was surprised at how lack of pain there was. And in that one visit, they took my teeth out, fitted all my implants, a 6 top, 6 bottom, drilled it, filled it, the lot. And I was quite shocked at how little pain and discomfort I was in. So yeah, very, very impressed. The healing process, because I also had to have bone grafts and sinus lifts, it was the works. My healing process took a little bit longer than normal, so they wouldn't let me come back. I was hoping to come back in 4 months, but dental-wise, they wouldn't push that, so they made me wait 6 months for the healing process. It took about 3 to 4 weeks for the stitches to go, but once that was gone, you know, okay, 6 months of eating soft food, and that was it. Hopefully now I can go back in and start eating a few more of my steaks and chops. Yeah, as I say, because of the sinus treatment and the bone grafts, it's obviously they wanted me to wait a longer time, which is good, you know. So, yeah, I came here on the second visit, and yeah, obviously my first visit I came, and they took out or opened up the implants where the gum had grown over it, and he put caps on them, but they put the proper implants in, took an impression, removed those, put the caps back in, come back, they then put the back in again and checked the impression, and they weren't entirely happy with the impression, so they took another impression, and they just took as many impressions until they were happy and I was comfortable. And yeah, they were really thorough, plenty of pressure to make sure that the molds fitted properly, top and bottom. And yeah, and then when they've done the final fit, they're so fussy they actually go through then and grind down anything that isn't spot on. They then let you live with the teeth for as long as they can, obviously, and ask you, providing you've got no discomfort. If you have, then obviously they will just grind them down, and they actually won't let you go until you're happy, until they're happy. So it's not just about you, they got to be happy. So because obviously it's important to both me as a patient and dental-wise as a company. I got to say, I'm over the moon. I've already recommended to dental-wise to 2 or 3 people. They're just waiting for me to go back, see my results, make sure I'm happy with it, and I'm sure they'll be back. In fact, my wife, when she came with me, she also had a checkup with dental-wise. In the UK, incidentally, I was quoted £23,000 for my work in the UK, and it cost me probably just under 7, and so there's no comparison, and they are state of the art here, which they could learn a lot from the UK. But my wife came here, she had a checkup. My first visit, 3D x-rays, a report, and we said to them, what do we owe you for that checkup? Nothing. When she came back, she's now had 6 implants, teeth removed, 6 implants. So we have to come back in 5 months' time for her to have her final fitting. So if we weren't happy, then my wife wouldn't have had it done. You have to put up with me one more time. And I'll bring your shirt. As I say, I already recommended dental-wise, and I'll continue to do so. My cousin, or Kath's cousin, Paul, he come over with me as well, and he's had it back home. He was quoted just to have some bridges done, and he was just going to have bridges done here. But he was so impressed with the setup when he seen it, and he had the x-rays, he ended up having a bridge and 4 set of veneers. And he's over the moon. He's over the moon. We're all over the moon. The clinic is spotlessly clean. Everyone is very, very helpful. And as I say, the equipment here is just state-of-the-art stuff. And it's just got nothing but praise for all the staff, all the dentists, everybody. Antalya, the old town is very interesting. Lots of things, plenty to do. But other than that, it's not what you would class as a holiday resort. You come here, you relax. But if you're having dental surgery done, that's really what you want to do. You don't want to be going abseiling and all that when you're having the dentist done and all that anyway. So yeah, it's a relaxing holiday. Hotels are nice, you know, clean, tidy, got good pools. Plenty of places to eat if you can eat. But yeah, would I come here for a holiday? No. Would I come back for dental surgery? 100%. I gotta say, dental-wise, you give me back a smile that I've not had for many, many years. Thank you very much. How's that?